In this video, we are going to see how we can add the YouTube channel link to the Facebook account so that you can let people know whenever they visit your profile that you have a YouTube channel, and here's the link about this. So here's how you can do it. First of all, just head over to your profile from the top right hand corner, click on your profile, and once you're in here, you click on About section, and from here you choose Contact Info. And from here, we want to click on the social media. If you've already added, let's say, a number or any social link, you want to click on this edit sign where we can add more. Click on this and you should be able to see this add social link. I'll paste my YouTube channel link and we will link it to the YouTube category and save it. And this is how it will be displayed. So once anyone clicks on it, it will directly show you the landing page of that YouTube channel. And that is all we have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.